Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use AI, so artificial intelligence technology, to generate well-converting Facebook ad copies for your Facebook ads. Alright, so if you want to increase the return on ad spend on your Facebook ads, one of the best way is to use AI to generate very creative but well-converting Facebook ad copies for your Facebook ad creatives. And in this example, I'm going to use the Jasper AI, which is one of the most advanced AI tools on the market currently, to generate Facebook ad copy. And if you haven't used Jasper AI before, I have a 5-day free trial link in the description below that you can use to try out Jasper AI for absolutely free without any risk. And once you have signed up for the Jasper AI using the link in the description below, all you have to do is on the left, click on templates. Then you're going to be able to search for Facebook in the template section here. And as you can see, they have 2 Facebook ad templates that are pre-trained with a lot of data. And this is great because they have been trained to be very creative with generations. So I have a separate tutorial where I show you how to use Jasper AI to generate Facebook ad headlines, to generate scroll stopping Facebook ad headlines. In this case, I'm going to show how to generate Facebook ad primary text, which is basically the copy of the Facebook ad creative. So all we have to do is click on that template. Then we have to add 3 inputs to be able to generate Facebook ad copies for Facebook ads. So first we have to add the company or product name. And in this example, I'm going to use Monday.com, which is a very popular CRM and project management software that is also advertising heavily on Facebook and YouTube as well. So let's add Monday.com. Then add a product description so Jasper can understand what this software or company is all about. So I have added that here. And then you have to add a tone of voice. So as you can see, you can try different combination first, like witty, friendly, disappointed. In this case, I really like the example they have. So let's add excited here. You can also change the language. So if you want to generate a Facebook ad primary text in German, you can also add those options here. Then all we have to do is click on generate here, and Jasper AI will generate us very good Facebook ad copy. So as you can see, here are the 2 Facebook ad copies it has generated. Let's see this one. Make your work life easier with Monday.com. We know that it can be hard to stay on top of all your project tasks and deadlines. That's where Monday.com comes in. So it's really good. I really like it. It also has a call to action at the end of the Facebook ad copy, but also explains the Facebook users' features and also benefits they will get if they start using Monday.com. But if you don't like it, you can also generate one more, maybe change the tone of voice or add more to the product description here. So all in all, this is how to use AI, more specifically Jasper AI, to generate Facebook ad primary text, so Facebook ad copy for your Facebook advertising campaigns, so you can get more clicks to your ads and convert more users to potential customers on your website. So as I mentioned, if you want to try Jasper AI, you can get a 5-day free trial in the description below, or you can also check out my other tutorials where I show you how to use Jasper AI to generate content for your blog, for your Facebook ad campaigns, or for your e-commerce website.